Hey y'all, what the fuck is up? It's your boy Quarantine Vic, out here, living that life, unboxing stuff, even though the world's ending. I got my trusty box cutter, and I got some hashtag sponsored. Hey y'all, what the fuck is up? It's your boy Streetwear Vic, aka Quarantine Time Vic. I'm about to unbox some videos for y'all. First off, I got this big boy. Yo, this is a sponsored post sent from your boys at Adidas. They love my style. They send me some cool shit. Oh, what? Oh, the fake Balenciaga Adidas Supreme collabo? Oh, forget this shoe. Time to put on the real shit. Oh, what? This is gonna look so good. Oh, and it's the perfect size. What? The stripe goes all the way up, baby. Started from the bottom, and now we striping up to the top. Oh shit, I need an Adidas hat. Yo, by the way, check out my sick outfit. I got the Adidas. I got the Reebok fanny pack. I got the Fun Socks collabo. What else do I got? This fanny pack? Maybe I need something new. What does Miller Simone have for me? What is this brand called? Simon Miller. Oh. What? This is beautiful. Another sponsored post. People keep sending me free stuff because I'm such a cool guy. Oh no. Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god, this is a nightmare. So this fanny pack, see you later. This is my new bad boy right here. How do I even hold it? Oh, it's like open, it's like getting, dude, I love it, I love it. You know what I do with this? I got my new shoe on, and then my other shoe, I keep it in there for later, when I really need it. This is perfect. And I strap it to the front of my chest, and I get sparkles all over my body. And then what's last? I got one more thing in here. This is gonna be the best thing though. This is the thing that I actually ordered for myself. And I can't wait. Yo, big box comes in little packages. Yes. Nude sticks. I'm being sponsored. It's my new makeup. This is the best makeup. When you have a long day, what is this shit even? Nude sticks, yes. I love it. It's so shiny. This shit, you just put it like here. Careful. Just put it all over your shit. Just put it everywhere. You're gonna look like a Streetwear Vic in no time. Look, it's quarantine. We're going through crazy shit. You get your nude sticks. You get your shiny bag. You get your fake Balenciaga Supreme collabos, and you're good. Honestly, you can't even catch COVID if you're wearing the sickest clothes. So dress awesome, always stay cool, and become invulnerable. Stay cool, my millions of followers.